Welcome back, guys. In today's video I will show you 5 things you need to know about Google Sites, and if you stick with me until the end of this video, I will also share extra bonus with you, free HTML codes you can use on your websites built with Google Sites. Let's dive in. Something you definitely need to know about Google Sites is that you can collect payments. We have done a lot of videos on our channel showing you how you can collect payments with Google Sites. There are several options how you can do that. You just need to find the right one that works for your business. Just to mention a couple of them, it includes PayPal, Stripe, also using external links and so on. There are several options how you can collect payments with Google Sites, and I will leave some links of those videos in this video description. But the answer to this question, can I use Google Sites for fully functioning e-commerce website? The answer is yes, you can certainly do that. Another most commonly asked question number 2 that I would like to address, and you need to know that about Google Sites, is that Google Sites is fully responsive. So if you come on this great preview feature right here and click on it, you will be able to see how your site will look like on the mobile phone, how it will display on the tablet, and also on the large screens. So if you are not sure how your website will look on different size of screen resolutions, you can always come here and check it out. Tip number 3, if you are struggling with Google Sites design and you think that it's limited, you cannot achieve some things, you can always use embed function. So if you come on insert on embed or simply double click on your page, you can then embed HTML code. And as I promised, I will give you some free HTML codes you can use. Alternatively, you can always head to sites like canva.com. For example, I have a template right here that I have designed. You can also add links and change all of these elements. And if you would like to try out Canva's paid version, I will leave the link in this video description. You can try it out free for 30 days. So once you have done your design on Canva, maybe the same design you were struggling to achieve on Google Sites, you can then click on share right here, then scroll down to more, and then here you can see embed feature. So if you click on embed and then simply copy this HTML code, you can then embed it on your Google Sites. And great thing about Google Sites is that you can simply come on a pages and actually insert and embed the entire page. So if you have a new page right here and then you come on add embed, paste your code you have just copied from Canva or any other HTML builder you would like to use, and then you see you are embedded entire page with just one click. Tip number 4 is you can copy and paste entire sections of Google Sites. So if you have selected this section, if you click on Ctrl+C or Command+C if you are on a Mac, you can then simply click on Ctrl+V and you paste entire section. You can also copy and make paste of your entire site. So if you come on your drive and right click on your file, you can again come down and click on make copy. It will duplicate the entire site. You can also copy and paste the themes by importing custom themes. So if you come on a themes and you have done a custom themes on any of your other sites on your drive, you can simply click on import theme, then navigate to the site within your drive. So let's say I know I have used this site and I have done custom theme on it. Then click on it, click on select, and then it will just load the theme. And once you have selected the theme you would like to use, you can simply import it on your site. And tip number 5, Google Sites seamlessly works with any other Google product. So if you scroll down right here, you can access calendars, maps, documents, slides, sheets, forms, charts, and so on. Anything that is on your drive, you can get access on your Google site. So that's a great way how you can combine and include other Google products on your Google sites. Now, as promised, free HTML codes. To access free HTML codes, all you have to do is come to the URL landing.meritmastering.com/code-product, and then you will be on a page looking like this where you need to enter your email address. And afterwards you will be able to download all these codes, including social media icons. You can get codes to implement Stripe payments on your Google sites, also some custom HTML codes to display product images, and even use some buttons and forms for subscribing or for contact pages. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more quick, precise video tutorials like this one, do subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now go ahead and watch this video as a next one, and I will see you there.